G'day guys, it's Trav here from Neighborhood. Are you wanting to sync leads from your ad forms through platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google? Today we're going to show you how to sync leads so that they are ready in your HubSpot account, ready to rock and roll. This applies to all products and plans to utilize this feature. And if you're keen on more practical support inside HubSpot, Neighborhood offers a comprehensive, easy to follow course so you're making the most out of your HubSpot investment. It even comes with a money back guarantee. To find out more, check out the link in the description below. But if you want to take your learning offline though, we'll include a free downloadable PDF of this how-to in the description below as well. So you want to sync your leads from your paid social or paid activities into your CRM. How do you do that? Well, it's actually pretty easy if you know how to. So what you want to do is you want to go up to marketing and go to ads. This will be your hub, and if you're new to using HubSpot, this will be completely empty. But what you want to do is click on the cog here. So using the cog that we've got here, we can see that we've got a few of our accounts, and these are the Neighborhood ones that we've got connected up just to pull some data across from there at the moment. But what you can see up here is the lead syncing tab here. If we click on the lead syncing tab and click on connect. So say for example, we want to go through for Facebook. If we're clicking on Facebook, what we want to do is select the account that you want to go ahead and sync. And if we click on Neighborhood Co, if we click on this one here, obviously we haven't got any lead forms currently there. But what it's going to do is automatically talk to Facebook there and then basically sync it across. The good thing about this is I can do all leads or new leads as well. So all leads from the last 90 days will be synced across. Any new leads would be, as soon as you click on that, any new leads from the time that you connected. So let's just say that new leads from today, and we want to go through and we want to click save. And what we can see here is that we've got 6 lead forms that we would have done. These are the ones that we've got here that we would have done a while ago. So what it's doing now is it's actually connected to those lead forms inside Facebook, and any new leads that come through, it'll automatically sync it to the CRM. How easy is that? Well, there you have it. You now know how to sync leads from lead ad forms into HubSpot. If you're wanting to make the most out of your HubSpot investment, we offer a step-by-step course covering marketing, sales, service, and CMS Hub in depth, ensuring you and your team are best serving your customers while developing efficient internal processes. We'll include a link for this in the description below. But if you're after a PDF version of what you've learnt today, or you want to pass it on to a friend, we'll include a link for this in the description as well. And if you've gained value from this video, or you're keen to learn more about HubSpot, make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can keep you up to date on all the HubSpot stuff that we create. Well, that's it from me. Happy HubSpotting.